In last video, we have discussed about the Morningstar pattern. Morningstar pattern is the indication of trend reversal. Trend reversal in the sense, if trend is negative and if you find the Morningstar candlestick, then there is a high chances that market will start moving upside and convert change from negative towards the positive positive patterns. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the evening star candlestick. Evening star candlestick is exactly opposite towards the morning star candlestick. What evening star candlestick represent is if trend is upside and at the resistance zone is nothing but selling zone. At the selling zone, if you find out the evening star candlestick, that means there is a high chances that market will start move upside to downside. Now let's take an example here. The evening star is look like this only. What it represents is one strong bullish candle, one doji or spinning top or inverted hammer, right? Doji, spinning top or inverted hammer, all are fine. And then next confirmation candle is strong bearish candle. If we see this type of pattern in resistance zone, that means it's a evening star pattern. Now how to draw resistance, how to draw support, we are seeing in the next sections, but just bear with me. You will easily get to know that how to draw resistance, how to draw support, and what it means and how much importance we need to give support and resistance levels. Now in the evening star, again there are total two ways to trade. First trade is candlestick breakout as we discussed in the morning star as well, right? Candlestick breakout. And second is the swing breakout, same as morning star. Here what we need to do is first just mark the strong either bullish or bearish. Just check which candle is biggest one. If this candle is bigger one, then just mark high and low of this candle, and based on this breakout make an entry, put stop loss above this doji candle or on the top. Just see example here. You are seeing the example which one strong bullish candle, one doji candle, and two doji candles, and this strong bearish candle. This is the evening star candlestick pattern. If you see this type of pattern, this type of swing pattern, then it's a evening star. Now how to trade? Either you can take entry here at this breakout, or as I am saying in the morning star, the very safe entry is check the swing. This is the swing, but I am not comfortable with this swing because of this strong buying comes from this swing. So as a safe side, I will check this swing and I will mark this swing. Now what I will do is I will take an entry based on this breakout. Just for initial stop loss, I will put stop loss here just for a safe side. Once this breakout will happen, then we will get enough rally towards the downside if it's a combination of evening star. But the reason why you are seeing this much spike, because this is the evening star plus there is one price action called as head and shoulder price action that we are covering in the price action section. Just bear with me for some time. You will easily get to know how to check that price action easily. Now let's take a real live example where we can see the evening star candlestick pattern. Here I already shortlisted evening star pattern for you. If you check here, the trend is upside. If I zoom out little bit, you will get to know that trend is upside. Check here, trend started from here, again here. This is the upside, strong indication of upside trend. Now we need to find out, this is also resistance zone. Here we are standing with the resistance zone. Why? Because market got exactly reversed from this zone. Last time also selling happened, and now there is a high probability that market will also start from here. Now if you check, this is one confirmation is it's on resistance zone. Now second indication is the evening star candlestick pattern. Here if you check, this one is strong bullish candle, again doji candle, and this one is bearish candle, but it's not as that much strong, but still it represents the evening star candlestick pattern. But for a confirmation that if you find out the comfortable pattern, then it always good. For example, here is a strong bullish candle, here one doji candle, and here one strong bearish candle we find out. Now where to enter? We just need to check swings. This is the swings and this is also swing, because market go move upside, take support, move upside, take support, and move upside. That's why this is also called as swings. Now based on this breakout, we need to take an entry. Our entry should be on this candle, like this breakout is our entry point for the downside, means we need to short this trade, and our stop loss should be here. If you check here, you will get the enough rally at the downside. The only difference is morning star and evening star is the trend. In morning star, trend will convert from negative to positive, and in evening star, trend will convert from positive to negative. Now again, the one thing which is remaining is in which time frame it will work best. As my personal experience, for morning star it's a 5 minute, for evening star it's always 5 minutes. In the sense 5 minutes, there is a high probability that you will get the high profitable ratios. What I meant is the success ratio within the 5 minute is more as compared to 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 10 minutes. Above 5 minutes, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes is always good. If you see same candlestick pattern in 10 minutes or in 15 minutes, then it's always good. But for the intraday, in 5 minutes is always helps to enter early in the sense enter at higher position, and our stop loss is also at the safe side. That's why 5 minutes work best for morning star and evening star. You can also analyze by yourself and just let me know in the comment section. Thanks.